In this video, we're going to talk about the correct way to use copy and pasting so that you are time efficient when creating, like fill in the word boxes or writing response areas within a table because they're all going to be about the same size. So how can we do that as time efficient as possible? And I'm also going to show you one problem with copying and pasting and how to work around it. So I already went to Tools and Prepare Form. I already clicked on the page to OCR so that text is highlightable and translatable. I already did the things where students take ownership over their work, name, date, class. So now all I have to do is fill in the table with text boxes. All right, I'm going to go to the text box tool and make my size. Then I'm going to go right click on the box, or you can right click over in the right hand field section and go to properties because I want multi-line so that students don't just have that one line in the middle that eventually you can't see the end of their response. So I'm going to click on it, Control C for copy, and then I'm going to work smarter, not harder. I'm going to do Control V and just plop these suckers where I need them. Plop it up here. Yep, there it is. There. Where did it plop it this time? Way down here. Okay, cool. Let's just roll with it because it really does not matter at this point. All I'm trying to do is time efficiently get my boxes in. And I'm doing Control V every time just to paste that first original one. Scrolling up just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Awesome. Okay, so let me show you the problem based on what we just did. If I go to preview, then you can see exactly how it will look for a student using it in Snap and Read PDF Viewer. And so this is a test response. And you can tell that as soon as I was done editing in the box, it filled it in for every single box. You can see how that would not be ideal because it's not going to be the same answer in every box. So the reason for that is because if you look at these boxes, text 84, text 84, text 84, text 84, they all have the same number. So it's duplicating what's in each box. I did save myself time on going up and clicking the tool for the text box. I did save time on adjusting each individual box, but now I need to make it so it's not the same thing repeated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my second box, go to general, and I'm going to change it. This first box was 84, so this next box is going to be 85. Now this next box, I'm going to do 86, and I'm pressing enter every time. Next box, I'm going to do 87, enter. Scrolling down to my next page. I just did 87, so now I'm 88, enter. Just did 88, so now I'm 89, enter. And you can see how it changes then. Just did 89, so now I'm in my 90. Just did 90, so now I'm 91, enter. Just did 91, so now I'm 92, enter. Double click in that box, 93, enter. Scrolling down, now I'm 94, enter. Last box is going to be my text 95. I'm going to close this and let's put it back in my preview mode and you can see the difference. So now this is a test response and I pressed tab to go to my next box because students can use tab to automatically move into their next response selection. So I try and be aware of my numbers and make sure it's not sporadic. You can see no other box was affected. So That's how you can use copy and paste, but also how you need to work and change each box number so that they don't affect each other. Let me know if you have any questions.